Matt Heidel with Cornerstone Tower Service. We're up here in Augusta, Montana doing a 1C, 2C LTE install for Augusta, the town of Augusta. We got up here early this week, started doing our assembly of our RHs and new mounts. We're in the process of getting the new RHs mounted on the tower. We already got the new power cables and fiber optics running up to the top of the tower. So today we're finishing out doing the RH install and the new antennas, and then we'll start working on our RF jumpers and fiber optic jumpers that go from the squid head to the RHs. So that the town and surrounding area of Augusta can get the LTE up here. So